What does a crook defense attorney do? Image result for criminal defense attorney. A criminal defense solicitor helps any individual who is suspected or charged with a crime, making sure that their criminal rights are upheld and that they are given an honest trial through offering their case in court. What is the distinction between defense attorney and crook lawyer? The distinction between a civil legal professional and a crook attorney is the kind of instances they manage for their clients. A crook protection legal professional represents purchasers who are dealing with crook fees in both nation or federal court. A civil attorney presents illustration for instances that don't seem to be criminal. How plenty is a nearby crook protection attorney? Criminal protection legal professionals in California fee somewhere from $200 to $500 an hour on average. However, court experience, time practicing, and different elements can also affect these costs. How lots do the pleasant crook protection attorneys make? Salary ranges for criminal defense lawyers. The salaries of criminal defense lawyers in the U.S. vary from $25,170 to $675,325, with a median earnings of $121,653. What kind of legal professional makes the most money? What types of law pay the most for attorneys? Corporate law. Lawyers who work for companies can earn tens of millions of bucks as a widespread counsel. Criminal law. Personal injury. Bankruptcy law. Family law. What is in lawyer versus lawyer? Image result. You are a lawyer if you graduate from regulation school. You then come to be an attorney if you skip the bar examination and enter the State Bar Association for the kingdom in which you exercise law. If a legal professional does now not go on to emerge as an attorney, then that man or woman can't exercise regulation in a unique jurisdiction, which is higher civil or crook law. In the case of civil law, there is no punishment like criminal law. However, the aggrieved birthday celebration receives the compensation and the dispute receives settled. In the case of criminal law, punishment is meted out as per the seriousness of the crook offense dedicated or a pleasant ought to be imposed. What are the three structures of protection lawyers? The three most common indigent protection shipping structures are, for my part, appointed personal attorneys, public defender offices, and contract attorney groups, typically a non-public regulation association or a non-profit entity, backed via the nearby bar affiliation or prison useful resource society, which contracts to provide which is hire legal professional or prosecutor. The answer is none. Both attorneys and prosecutors are lawyers. They have accomplished their regulation levels and surpassed the bar examination in a specific country they want to practice. What ought to I count on from a precise crook protection lawyer? What should I expect from a criminal defense lawyer? Calling, emailing, or assembly with consumers in person. Reading statutes and case documents. Researching ongoing instances and reviewing evidence. Formulating sturdy protection strategies. How tons does in lawyer cost? The minimal for an hourly session is around 1,000 Philippine pesos backyard of Metro Manila and 2,500 Philippine pesos in Metro Manila. The price solely goes greater relying on the lawyer. There is no popular fee for an hourly session, so it is fine to ask for the session charge earlier than reserving a consultation. Where are the best paid lawyers? Lawyers in California get the best possible pay. However, the value of dwelling is additionally extra expensive, so hold these elements in idea when deciding. Check out the interactive map beneath to see the median legal professional salaries in extraordinary cities throughout the U.S. How tons do the pinnacle 1% of legal professionals make? Well, in accordance to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median income for attorneys in the U.S. is simply over $125,000. The highest paid attorneys make over $208,000. However, the pinnacle 1%